Good day, I'm Lisa Rowe and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, December 20, 2023. 509 young Jamaicans have been lifted into the next step of their personal and professional lives thanks to the government's Learning and Investment for Transformation LIFT program. The cohort is the first set of participants in the program and they were celebrated during a social advancement ceremony on Friday. They have completed the first two phases of the program and will now advance to phase 3, where they will be placed in jobs across the public and private sectors. Prime Minister Andrew Holness hails the group for completing the program while deeming them ambassadors for Jamaica.
You have the building blocks for greatness. You have applied to the program. You have met the matriculation requirement. You have stuck with the program. You have completed it. Now we're giving you the experience in an organized, structured, rules-based work environment. And more than that, we are paying you for that experience.
Minister with responsibility for skills and digital transformation, Senator Dana Morris Dixon, urges the participants to be role models for their peers and to use the training they have received as tools to forge a resilient and innovative future.
The investment we make today in training these bright minds is not merely a contribution to individual careers, but a foundation stone in building a resilient, innovative, and competitive workforce.
We stand here today equipped with knowledge and skills that will propel us forward in success.
The National Fisheries Authority, NFA, says very soon it will be developing a recirculating aquaculture system, RAS hatchery, as part of a World Bank project to become more climate smart and resilient. The equipment is expected to boost fry production and raise tilapia output to approximately 3,500 metric tons per year. According to the Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Gavin Bellamy, all procurement processes for RAS have been completed and the NFA is currently awaiting Cabinet's approval to begin construction.
Also, to deal with climate smart, the pelagic fisheries and the fad fisheries is to encourage our fishers to move away from the near reefs and go further to fish. The near reefs are under pressure now. That is one of the reasons why we have fish sanctuaries to help in the replenishing of the fish stock in the near shore areas. Also, we encourage our fish sanctuaries to do other things value-added like ecotourism.
Mr. Bellamy adds that two communities, one in Savannah Lamar and the other in Green Island, Westmoreland, are receiving training and support to do climate-smart oyster farming. Over 1,000 persons have so far benefited from the new oral health and denture replacement program by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. The Second Chance Smiles program was launched last Wednesday at the Hagley Park Health Center. It is the first of 4 launches to take place across all health regions. Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says the initiative is gathering momentum and will meet a target of helping 10,000 Jamaicans under age 60 to enhance their life chances socially and economically. The ministry has committed to investing approximately $60 million in the program over 18 months. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is cautioning motorists against the illegal use of colored and flashing lights on their motor vehicles this holiday season. Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gary McKenzie, advises that the use of these lights, as detailed in the Road Traffic Regulations of 2022, is restricted to service vehicles.
The use of blue lights, these lights are restricted to police vehicles. The use of red lights, flashing lights that is, those are restricted to ambulances and the fire service. Large units such as tow trucks and large truck trailers may use amber lights to announce their position and approach on the roadways. It is not for these lights to be used randomly.
ACP McKenzie was speaking at a JIS think tank last week. He says headlights on all vehicles must also be properly angled, as motorists who use very bright lights that are incorrectly positioned pose a threat to other road users.
In other words, the left headlight is to be shining straight and the right headlight is to be shining to the left, and both lights are to be slightly downwards. If you shine lights directly at persons and at other motorists, then you are blinding them and the potential for a crash exists.
ACP Mackenzie further informs that no other light on a vehicle should outshine its headlights, adding that auxiliary lights or reflectors should also be set at a lower ampere. And finally, the National Road Safety Unit is calling for greater care when traversing the roadway, despite the figures for crashes and fatalities trending down this year. The data for January to December 19 shows a decline of 59 fatalities, or 13%, when compared to the same period last year. For the review period, the country has recorded 406 fatalities, resulting from 368 fatal collisions. Fatalities are projected to reach 427 by the end of the year. The Road Safety Unit says the parishes of Westmoreland, St. Catherine and St. Andrew accounted for the highest number of fatalities for the period, while males accounted for 87% of those who died. In 2022, the nation recorded 488 road fatalities. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks for watching.